reasons or more foundational knowledge about Philippine Genome Center Visayas kung bakit dito kayo nandito.
So for today, as mentioned kanina, we will have lectures after the tour. So sa morning, we will have 2 lectures.
Para lahat ng sample is naalat pa rin.
Buka, then close. Buka,
I'm trying na mag-5
dapat.
techniques. Okay.
So yeah.
Nakita na ako kayo ba? Pero kung saya, makita ko ba? Yung mga publishes. Ako yung social media platforms of PGCE Science. Okay, so example name. Ano yun? Archivist. Ang lalim ng modification. Ano pa get? Last na lang. Justice of the Sabbath, no? Oh, fix interns. Break. Okay, good one. Okay, so photography and layout. Siyempre, number 1 ang Canva. Hindi ba tanong may access? Naka-education. Oh, in 5 seconds, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Seatmate na lang.
Mag-group na?
Towards the relationships and friendships we've built along the way. So to formally welcome
Interactive. So I'd like to
Until hopefully we achieve the effective and accurate results that is optimized for iBox. And to formally start,
extracted the genomic DNA with all the main samples having higher concentration of DNA compared to the female, as shown with clarity and intensity of the dance. And for illusion 2, as you can notice, it's way cleaner than illusion 1, and it is expected because illusion 1 may still contain inhibitors, such as those reagents were not thoroughly washed.
Hello, I was confirmed. So thank you for your presentation. Yeah, so I have experience in the laboratory, especially extraction and amplification through PCR. And one thing is that wala akong mawala ng related sa equipment. So what's the possible reason for that?
Reasons why we were not able to yield better concentration of DNA in illusion 1 as compared to illusion 2.
Okay, so
in addition to that, sir, we, instead of having a protocol,
higher probability or higher concentration of your final DNA extract, what we reduce is the illusion buffer, not the wash buffer. But nonetheless, I think very interesting.
Do we have any idea kung bakit nangyari yun? Or sexist ba yung kid?
Reservation accessible. So here's about the project. So for our introduction, so obtaining index-restricted samples. And then here's the results of our study. So it shows that so my experience here in PGCE Visayas are very honest. So I feel idea ng hindi
Is still viable, and if the past name of Dr. Ferrios is still identifiable.
Or other one, PCR. And we did also second PCR to check or to see if the replicates as better guides It's like a read VCR by
Sa genomic DNA, sa mga first
like unspecific bands that you can see. So how did you troubleshoot this thing? And in cases wherein hindi makuha, what did
namin yung much better in advance for delivery preparation.
So I was trying my best to pay attention and take the rest of me because I didn't want to end mistakes. So the first part was holding assembly. But we still use these papers like to population genetic with us. And there was a lot of information, but due to
During our stay here, we learned an overwhelming amount of tools, pipelines, and workflows. We learned a lot of assembly tools, phylogenetic tools.
Okay. So there. So if I want to submit an inquiry as a potential client, I will just click this button and then sign in with my Google account. Here from the
At minsan nagiging tama rin naman. But most of the time, mali din. So, we have to know first, a senior. First generation Manong A. So, what is the message that they have relayed? Pinag-iisipan, guys. Wait. Sorry. Baka kailangan nyo ng time. Ay, okay. So, isang mabuting ama. Iba muna ang anak. Okay? So, Manong A. Jr., what is the word of the day?
Nandiyan na ba yung food?
Okay, bakit pa natin si Manong A. Jr.? Sige, ano? Centrifuge! So, Manong A, you still have the chance to claim that identified basket Now, what is your answer? General electrolysis is incorrect!